get it propped back up here. Alright, there we go, there we go, there we go. Camera 1 in position. Hope it's right. I got the idea of making this video from a father-son channel on YouTube called What's Inside. Glenn down at Mobile Loaves and Fishes has been replacing the fluorescent light bulbs with LED light bulbs. Oddly enough, one of them just decided to quit. I said, I'm going to take that home and I'm going to copy what somebody else has done, what's inside, and see what's inside of the LED. Okay, got the camera set up here. That's my old faithful Canon. Of course, the iPhone 6 is propped up over there. Here is the LED light. I don't know if you can see it. The sun is really bright. Each one of those little yellow things is an LED. Now there's screws here on the ends that look to be like Phillips. Hey! Phillips. Not. That Phillips don't work. I got this. I also got a hacksaw. It's coming. It's coming. Wish I had a fancy shop like Casey Neistat does. Man, that dude has a shop to die for. Organization, and it can only be dreamed of. Use what you got when you got a project to do. 2 screws out. Ooh, look here. See that? These you just connect to 120, directly to the 120, and you bypass the ballast, because it does no good to put LEDs in there and then 6 months later have the ballast go out in the thing. Have to do it all over again. There's the LED strip. I don't see any broken wires or anything. Glenn says there's a current limiter. There's a current limiter in these things. That ends out. Now, okay, that wire runs all the way down to here. Don't give much room here. I can pry this apart. Does that come up there? How is that situated on there? That's what it looks like on the end. Solid back here. Label here says LED, LED. Okay, here's the electronics package. Slip that out. Ooh, look at all of this. Man, this must be the current limiter Glenn was talking about. I don't see anything fried or burnt. In electronics, you always get the sniff test. Nope, don't smell anything burnt on there. Got a big old capacitor. Looks like 15 microfarad old transformer. Close up of that. Here's all the LEDs. Bunch of them. How many? A bunch. Just a bunch. That's all for now of this video. Bye-bye. I've torn open a lot of stuff before. One of the favorite things I did was picked up a microwave somebody had set on the sidewalk, brought it home, and Olivia and I pulled out the magnet. Man, if you ever want a strong magnet, get you an old microwave, take it apart, save the magnet. They're fun.